What in the world? 18-wheeler just crashed. Day 3, here I am. It was quite loud last night, although the freeway and the cars going through the parking lot all calmed down once it got late. But every once in a while, when those trains would go by, I have a white noise app on my phone. That helped a lot. But yeah, those train horns, man. Got a long day today, longer than the other days. It's 7 hours of driving, 426 miles. Not too bad. Amarillo, Texas, people. Day 3. Let's do this. Hope everybody's all right. That's not good. Holy crap. I think the driver was out walking around. I don't know, man. It's not windy. Roads aren't bad. He either had a blowout or he fell asleep. I just want to clarify something. I was watching my video from yesterday and it wasn't very clear. The whole thing with the RV Trip Wizard versus Apple Maps. So Apple Maps and Google Maps, they take you the shortest route. They don't care about how tall your trailer is. So they will take you under a bridge that is only 13 feet, 12 feet, 11 feet tall, versus RV Trip Wizard GPS. You put in the height of your RV or trailer and it will look and take you around any low bridges. So my trailer is 13 feet, 6 inches, and I put that into Trip Wizard, RV Trip Wizard, and it doesn't take me any way that will take off my roof of my RV. So I was using Apple Maps yesterday to get to Cracker Barrel because it was just easier to use because you can just talk to it through Apple CarPlay. Well, guess what? It took me the shortest route and there was a 13-foot, 2-inch bridge. That would have sucked if I hadn't seen that sign. So I had to back up onto a side street with a big old trailer, then take off and go the right route. And I put on the GPS for RVs and it worked great. So anyway, that's the clarification from yesterday, just in case anybody was wondering. Okay, I'm on with my day. I've got about 4 hours left. We're in Texas. Woo! Texas, Central Time Zone. Heck yes. All right, still an uneventful day. Holy crap, it's narrow. What are we out here? Made it to Amarillo, Cracker Barrel. Good stuff. What sucks is it's 21 degrees out here. Anyway, oh my gosh. I'm gonna throw away all my trash. Hopefully they'll let me stay here overnight. We'll see. Home for the night. Manager said it's okay, so we're good to go. All right, this is a lot better than the place I stayed last night, that's for sure. I'm liking it. It is cold. I'm gonna blow through some propane tonight, boy. Oh my gosh, today was a boring day. This video is gonna be super short. If there's not really even much to make, but I'm gonna give you an update. Overall, boring day. Saw a flipped over rig, that's about the most excitement we had. But we're in Amarillo now. Ate some dinner over at the old Cracker Barrel here. Got permission to stay here. I don't know. Tomorrow, I think it's a pretty long drive to Commerce, Texas. So I'm gonna get an early start, but looking forward to getting some sleep. A little less a sketchy neighborhood here. This is, freeway's still right there, but I don't think there's any trains or anything nearby, so I'll probably sleep a lot better. All right, well, subscribe down below and hit that like button, and I'm gonna see you guys in the morning.